So if you own an R1, in our cases, you better get used to one of these guys, because these things drink gas up like crazy. I don't care what anyone says about commuting on motorcycles. They just destroy gas. I think I get like, it feels like 10 miles per gallon. 45 minutes of hard riding, I gotta look for a gas station. So I don't care what anyone says about, oh, they get good gas mileage. No, they don't. No, they don't. Also, another thing we do when we're out here riding is, we always gotta work on cameras and make sure the footage is working correctly. So there's another part of the ride, but man, look at these beautiful bikes here. This bike is amazing. My favorite part is actually on the swing arm there. Those, what are those? Light Tech? I don't know what those, yeah. Those things are a nice little touch. And then old Trusty over here. Very nice. What else do we do? Riding with Motonosity, we hang out in traffic. Yep. It's getting pretty hot here. We got a green light. There we go. Oh god, we're moving again. I always wear leathers, so I get hot. I better get acclimated quick because it's 70, maybe a little bit warmer, 70 degrees right now. It's hot. That's the guy who owns the Oasis. That's his house. I like to buy some land over here and build a custom home. Probably like with another few hundred thousand. Same idea. Who's gonna get the money first, right? That's what life is. It's a game of who's going to get the money first. So you can do what you want to do, right? If you want to buy land somewhere, you better beat somebody else to the punch. Or you got to wheel and deal and you're not going to win. So that's another reason why the housing market's crazy out here in Austin. You got people out here moving here from California, like that plate up there is from Florida. So we got people all over moving here, and they don't even negotiate pricing on houses. They just come and pay cash, and that just drives the market like crazy. And I've been out here for 16, 17 years now in Austin, and the market is crazier now than it's ever been. It's like, man, when's it gonna like slow down? Is it ever gonna slow down? Who knows? But still, we've got all these IT jobs talking about coming out here, and we got Apple and Google and Samsung's coming out here now, and a lot of these tech people. Joe Rogan just moved out here. I think I heard something that Elon Musk moved out here. I don't know if that's true or not, but I mean, it really is a beautiful place. My previous job, I was fortunate enough to get to travel everywhere, and I'll tell you what, besides Greenville, South Carolina, which is a really nice area, I think Austin is like by far better than New York. I mean, look at this. It's like California, I guess, but not California. That's why they all like to come here. He gave me the loop round signal. So another thing we do is we ride around in Austin by Lake Travis and other areas and find really cool places to do pictures. Look at this guy. That's a cool picture. Here we go. Standing out here. But yeah, that's what we do. Find beautiful locations, which Austin's full of it. So here we go. And now we gotta wait for cars to leave, ruining our shot. They're probably wondering, like, what the hell's going on? And then they see these sweet bikes and they're like, oh god, I wish I was that cool. Nice photo up here.
Travis. Look at all these boats, tons of boats. Backside of Oasis up there is where you come to watch the most beautiful sunsets in the world. Riding with the Motonosity, and like once again, I don't get why he doesn't have like over 1 million subs. There's other guys out there creating motorcycle content, and like his style of editing and his videos, his artwork, it really surpasses a lot of these people that have more followers than him. And he's really underrated in my book. I really think that, you know, whenever he does his videos, it's like, there's a lot of good touches to it, you know? There's a lot of thought behind it, and design, and editing, and content. There's really no other, you know, person that edits videos, does their own YouTube video. Like, Yami Noob's got like an army of people working for him.